Right, so an interesting topic here is co-ownership of property. Two people can have equal ownership of whatever property it is that they're buying. Maybe it's a boat, maybe it's a car, okay? There can be two people that have legal authority or legal entitlement to that item, okay? But there are two different ways that they can co-own it, okay? They can be tenants in common. So tenants in common, what this means is each person's share passes to the heirs. Okay, so if I go out and I buy a boat with my fiance, okay, and we eventually get married and we have children, the boat is 50% mine and 50% my fiance's, okay? If we own the boat as tenants in common, my 50% would pass to my heirs, okay? If I had a son, my share would go to the son if I were to pass away. Now this is different than joint tenants, okay? Joint tenants, each person's share passes to the surviving owner when one owner dies. Okay, so if I were to pass away, my 50% share in that boat would then go to my wife. Okay, so we can see that tenants in common, the ownership or the entitlement to the property can be passed on to future generations, whereas if it's a joint tenant, the ownership is just going to pass to the other co-owner. Okay, so you want to make sure that when you're buying things of significance and you're buying them with somebody else, that you understand what the agreement is for knowing whether or not it will pass on to your heirs or pass on to the person that you're buying the property with.